Hi guys, so I've been doing I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. Hi guys, how are you guys today? Comment down below what you're doing today when you're watching this video, of course. So anyways, hi guys, I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to do a things that I'm liking at the moment kind of video, and it's not going to be only, if you're hearing the noise, I'm recording the day, so you will hear cars and noise and all of that. I'm sorry, I can't help it. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to show some things that I'm loving at the moment, and it's not going to be only beauty related. It's going to be health, snacks, and any mishap that I really like at the moment, not for the month, just at the moment. So I'm going to start off with my snacks, because as if you guys watch my vlog, girl, I think one of my vlogs that I did, you realize that you saw me going to exercise with my friends. So with that, I started my healthy journey, exercising and keeping fit, and my main thing is that I want to lose my belly, so I want the abs, not summer body, all year round body. So yeah, I started working out and trying to eat healthy. So I found some snacks that were healthy, because I don't really eat food. I eat food, but when I do eat, it's late. So the food that I usually eat just sit down on my stomach. That's the only problem area I have. So my snacks that I'm really loving, and they're healthy because I never get to buy them. Or wheat things. I really like these. I think I'm addicted, low-key addicted to this, because I can't stop when I start eating this. But it's really nice. It's wheat thins. The original one, I haven't tried any of the other ones as yet. And it's made with 100% whole wheat. And it says that this is a big box, a bag coming in. And it's 9.1 ounces, and it says it's 140 calories, and it has 1 gram saturated fat, or that word, and 4 grams of sugar. This old box contains, so that's really good for the healthy journey. Damn, I'm sweating, guys. Excuse me. Turn on the fan, guys. I'm really hot in here. If you're hearing the fan, I'm sorry, but I have to turn it on because in here it's hot. Okay, so the next snack are these the better chips. The flavors inside, I guess that's their tagline, and one is a corn chip, and the other is spinach and kale chips. I didn't think I'd like them, but I actually do. The only thing with this one is that after eating the old bag, that's when you really get the taste of that it's greens. But just drink some juice and our water, and that goes away. So I really like it because they taste good, seeing that they're healthy snacks. I really like these, and I only find them in High-Low in Portmore. Yeah, I live in Portmore, guys. So yeah, my battery's dying, guys. Okay, guys, so as I was saying before my battery died, these are my healthy snacks, and I really love them. I'm especially surprised at myself with this one, because I do like greens. That's all. So I really like that I'm getting some greens with this one. So yeah, I'm loving these at the moment. Healthy snacks. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to go into some makeup items. Yeah. Okay, so the first item is this ball. This one that everybody raves about. I love this thing. It's so convenient and cute. But apart from that, the actual product is great. It really softens the lips and make it easy for your lipstick and your eyeliner to glide on easily. So I really love this. So if you don't have one, go and get one. It's like almost everywhere in Jamaica now, so you don't even have to order it. So go get you one. I'm thinking to get another scent because I don't remember which one this is because I won it in a contest like some time ago. So yeah guys. The other thing is, everybody must know this. If you don't know this, you're hiding under a rock, in some bush or something. These things, and you can see all them done. Yeah, but I love the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I use it as foundation when I want a light face for school, or when I'm just going down the road to come back. This concealer is life. I don't know if the BB cream is anything like this, but if not, they need to get this in a foundation for real, because the foundation that I know that they have is nothing like this. It's lighter than this. They need this in a foundation packaging. This is to die for. I love this. This is cheap, inexpensive meter. If you want to just have this to do your whole face, buy it. I'm loving these, and I think I'll always do. If they don't change the formula, I'll always love these. This LA Girl Pro Concealer is a great product. Okay, so next thing is a mascara, and this is the Maybelline Great Lash. I have it on today. This one is kind of drying out though, but this mascara is great. This is a drugstore mascara, and for it being a drugstore mascara, it is fabulous. If I put this on, one coat of this, you can see my lashes. Two, you would think it's some drama lashes I have on. Girl, if you don't have it, go and get it. Yeah, I have this one in black. They have it in blackest black. No lie, I have it in blackest black, and I think they have one lighter than this. But I really love this mascara, and I'll always buy this mascara. I also have another mascara from Hard Candy, but I love this one more. So okay, so the other product that I'd like to talk about is my Maybelline Definer line. This liner, it's a retractable liner. So you know it goes all kind of, and it's in black, and I love this mascara. It has a smudger on the bottom, so what I tend to do is line my waterline and then smudge it. Use a smudger to smoke out my liner, and that gives the liner a fabulous look. I really love this liner. It stays put all day, and it's so black. It's a very black liner. The only thing is it's not matte when it dries, but I still love it. It's a great liner for the waterline. Next product is my foundation that I'm using now, and it's a black opal. I think this was the first or second foundation that I ever used, and my right color is in beautiful bronze, but right now I'm using suede mocha. It's a tad bit darker. I have it on today. You'll see it in the get ready with me video, but yeah, it's in suede mocha. It's darker than I am. It's darker than I am, but I still love it. The finish of this is just flawless. If you have acne, scarring all over your face, just buy this and use it. This is a great cover foundation for scarring. Black opal. Yeah. Okay, so my last makeup item. You see this? Y'all see this? This ain't sweat. This Milani baked powder, and it is in glow. It's a baked bronzer. This thing, it's my nose, this little button nose, it's my cheeks. Milani, I love this. If I'm not going anywhere special and I'm just putting on my simple face, I'm gonna have to put this on. I just love how it gives me a glow. I'm loving the glow. Just look pretty, like, oh god. Even though I have an oily skin or an oily T-zone, I still have to put this on because it is so pretty. Like, come on, look at that, guys. This is forever, like forever. Unless I find something better. And like, I've been using it like almost every day, and it still has a dome because it's a big, like, yeah. So like, if you don't have it, go and get it. Milani baked bronzer. Yeah, I love that. So I have 3 more things, and they're just some hair and whatever. So the next thing is this. It's, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a hair wax, and if you guys can look here, you see how this lay down. I have to thank one of my clients and schoolmates for making me try this. I love it. Alison, thank you for putting me on to this. I love this. Like, it makes the edges lay down for days, people. Like, if you don't have it, go and try those. It might not work for you, but it worked for me. Gel jam don't work for me. You can't do this. But put gel on my ear, it just curl up. So I tried this and I'm loving it. Like, try this. It's hair wax. It's Osan. I don't know how to pronounce it. And it's the ultra one, ultra aqua. Yeah. And I got this at mall. It's a variety store for $380. I saw it in the beauty supermarket for $700 and odd dollar, and I was like, no, I don't know if it's going to work. Why am I going to pay so much for it? But I found it in the variety store at Mall Plaza, Portmore Mall Plaza, for $380. Like, and it is having my edges laid. Alright, so the next thing is Nair hair removal. I'm lazy. I don't like sitting and shaving with a regular razor. I don't like hair bumps. They hurt. They look disgusting. So this is what I use to remove hair from the underarm, the legs, even though I don't really do that much anymore, and the bikini line. So I love this. It's easy, it's quick, it's Nair. It don't smell too bad, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm loving this Nair, and this one is in Cherry Kiss, and of course it's a hair removal if you don't know that, and you can use it on your eyebrows too. I know that I saw a video with Queenie using it as a hair removal or something like this as a hair removal for to shape your eyebrows. So you can watch that video and use it for the same reason if you don't want to use it for your legs and your arm. So yeah, I love using this because it's quick, fast, easy. Just put it on, wait 5 minutes and wipe and go. So I'm loving this Nair hair removal. So yeah, the last thing that I have is like, I recently got this and I won't even finish it, but I know I'm loving it because I can see the results from it, and it's this. It's the Nature Bounty Optimal Solution Hair, Skin and Nails Gummy. I used to take gummy vitamins. Yeah, I don't remember what it named. It's another brand, gummy vitamins, and I finished that and I wanted something else, but I want to grow up my hair, so I said I'm going to try this because I saw everybody raving about it on YouTube, and it has biotin and all of that, antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and I love this. It doesn't taste horrible like some gummy vitamins do, so I like the taste, and I'm seeing my hair growing. I see a difference in my hair. My hair is growing. Probably it has to do also with the fact that I'm doing protective styling also, but I love this. This is a keeper, and it's for $974 at a supermarket near me. Yeah, I'm loving this. This is, yeah. So that's it for what I'm liking this at the moment. What I'm liking at the moment. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, so oh, one more thing. Almost forget it. My wig. Last and final things that I'm loving at the moment is this wig. You guys see this? Me and my friend made this. She started it and I finished it, putting on the closure and all of that. But I'm loving this wig. This hair is from Chic Boutique or Chic Hair. The lace closure is from there also, and I'm loving this lace. Look how it lay flat. There is no elastic band method in my hair. It's just the wig cap and the lace, and look how it lays flat. Like, where are they doing that at? So yeah, I'm loving this. This hair is just, the hair can't take bleaching because as you can see, this hair is hella bleached out and only the ends are straight, kind of straight. But all I have to do now is to deep condition this hair, and I'm sure it will get back its curl, because it has a slight curl in it naturally, but because it's bleached, it's kind of loosened. So yeah, I'm loving this wig, and yeah, I'm loving it. Girl. So yeah, if you want a wig made by me, you can inbox me or message me down below to ask or something. So yeah, I'm loving this hair, I'm loving this wig, and these are all what I'm loving at the moment, especially those snacks. And next thing about those snacks is that they're $100 odd for a bag. It's so small they are, but they're worth it because they're healthy and they taste good. They're not yucky, healthy food. Like, they taste good. So yeah, that's it for my what I'm liking at the moment video. Kind of new to my channel, but I'm switching it up a little bit. Can't be just makeup, so just bear with me, guys. So yeah, the video for this get ready with me for the makeup will be coming up before or after this video. I think after, because I'm going to edit this now. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys having a good day, and remember to wear the best you for the world to see. And this is Moya Lovely saying I love you and bye bye.